Jack, we're on video over at my house. Let's go find some potties.
Okay.
Okay, we're finding potties.
Here's one.
Here's a potty. A green one. Are we flushing the potties?
Yeah.
Okay. You or me?
Me.
Okay, go ahead.
Okay.
Okay, here it goes. Is that good?
Yeah.
Okay, should we go find another potty?
Yeah. Let's go.
Okay. Which potty are we going to next? The one in Adam's room?
Yeah.
Alright, turn on the light. Okay. Here we go. Should we go find another one?
Yeah.
Okay.
Follow me. Yeah.
There's one in Emily's room too. Do you know how many potties we have?
One. Security alert.
Whoop. That's okay.
One. Security alert. There's one. Maybe.
Okay, I'm in.
Ready?
Ready. Oh. Great. I think we have, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 potties. We've done 3. So we have to go find 3 more.
Okay. This way.
Okay.
Copy.
Do we have to flush all of them?
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, I'm ready.
Me too. Ready. Ooh, that was a good one. Okay. Okay.
Okay, 2 more. I think perfect. Here.
Okay, turn on the light. Good. Okay, ready.
Okay, I'm ready too.
Okay.
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 One more.
Where haven't we been yet?
Okay. Let's find one. What?
All right. Hold on, let's get some more light. There we go.
Yeah.
Did you even know about this one?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. Ready. Okay, should we go make a movie?
Oh, yeah. No.
Let's go make a movie.
Yeah. Let's go make a movie. Let's go make a movie. Let's go make a movie.
We're gonna get a picture of the putty flushing, right? Okay. Here we go. What did you think of that? What do you think of that? What do you think?
Yeah.
All done?
I want to flush it. I want to flush it.
What?
What's it?
Perfect.